Welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if you've been following my channel, you will know that we've been concentrating on compliance issues, tax issues, and accounting issues. Today I want to talk to you about the different types of companies that are available in South Africa. When you register a company with the CIPC, in most cases you're registering a PTY Limited, Proprietary Limited, which is a company trading in its own capacity with directors and with shareholders. In the olden days, one could register what we call the closed corporation, a CC, and a closed corporation has members as opposed to directors, no shareholders because there are no shares that are issued. These CCs continue to trade, however, you cannot register a new one. The other type of company is what we call an INC company, which is also a company that has directors and shareholders. However, it's specific to specific trades such as accountants, lawyers, doctors. The last type of company I'm going to talk about is an NPC, a non-profit company, which of course does not have shares. Those are the companies that are used for NGOs, and they are the companies that usually are used for churches, for charity organizations, and receive donations. Now, the first company, the PT1, we said the directors are registered on the registration document of the company, and those are not necessarily the shareholders, they're not necessarily the owners of the company, although they can be. So there is a distinction between directors and shareholders. Shareholders hold the shares, so they own the company. The directors manage what we call the day-to-day affairs of the company. Shareholders do not necessarily appear on the company registration document, but they hold share certificates and they appear on a securities register and on a share register. Now, it is usual to issue either 100 shares or 1,000 shares when you register a company, and you would need to specify how many shares have been issued to each director. The CC that we mentioned earlier usually has 100, and we call them contributions. So on the document itself, we can tell how many members are contributing what percentage. The INC is similar to the PTY, and the NPC, of course, does not have shares. When you have registered your company, the next step is to open a bank account and to start to trade. We also talk about the various tax returns that must be submitted to the SARS, the Revenue Authority, and those are the provisional tax returns as well as the income tax returns. Join me as I discuss these and other topics on my channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and become a regular viewer on our channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.